Hello, my YouTube friends. TeresaLouise here, and today I have my sew sampler box. Yay! I know there's quite a few people who have this posted already, but that's alright. I'm going to share it with you anyway. I haven't peeked. I'll get it open. I love getting these because it's like a little present once a month, even though it's really late, because I believe this is the, is it the July box? Yeah, July box. All right, here we go. Wild and Free. Yep, July 2021. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I have a feeling I'm going to be very happy. Awesome. So on the back of these cards, we get a discount. We got 20% off of Fat 8 bundle, which is like half a fat quarter, and 20% off of endurance blade. I can't talk. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Am I happy? I am happy. Yes, I am very happy. I'll show you that in a second. I'm so glad I didn't cancel this. I came very, very close. I thought, you know, I think what, it's like 2 years almost that I've been getting this box. And anyway, what did we get here? And I'm so glad I didn't cancel. Yes, I am. Oh, cool. We got some endurance blade. We got one. And I'm very, very happy to get this. The last time I got one in a sew sampler box, I had that blade and that rotary cutter for close to a year. Swear. And I made a lot of quilts that year. Yeah, these are awesome. So very happy to get that. Okay, what do we got here? Those blades are $13.48 retail. Now I got something in my eye. String blade, handy little cutters for all your strings cutting needs by Quilt Story. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so like when you chain piece, or if you don't have a cutter on your sewing machine, or one that's, you know, easy to get to, you can, these have little stickies on them, and so you can put them on your sewing machine, or maybe you have something else you could use to put them on. But I think they kind of look like little irons. They do. So you got a little blue one, a white one. Here's my white iron. Got to use your imagination there. And then a pink one. Yeah, don't they look like little irons? Really cute. Okay. These are $9.98 retail value. Yeah, I think those ought to be handy. I have one on my machine, but it's kind of at a weird angle where I don't usually do, you know, when I'm chain piecing, I use it I don't do that. What do we have here? Oh, another Steady Betty product. This time it looks like we have some little sticker things that go on the back of your ruler to keep it from slipping. They're very little, round, foamies. And this is $4.48 retail value. Okay. Well, I'll have to give them a try. I don't know what that's going to be like You won't be able to see through them, but they're pretty little, so they might be okay. I'll have to give them a try. So, yeah. All right. Oh, this is a nice pattern. Here we go. That's cute. I like it. I do like the Fat Quarter Shop's patterns. I would say, you know, at least 90% of the time. And I always like the way they write them. And this one, let's see. Oh, we have two options. We have make some table runners. They have a pattern here of 3 different types of table runners, different options. And then the quilt. And the quilt is 42.5 by 48. Very nice. And then that is probably $9.98. That's what they usually are. Yep, $9.98. And then the block of the month, which is Bright Side Sew Along or Quilt Along. And this month, it looks like that. So very nice block. I like that. Awesome. All right. So what did we get for fabric? Yes. Check it out. Lala Batiks Christmas fabric. Yay, yay, yay. I am so excited. I plan on ordering this Fat Quarter bundle. I've been bugging Stephanie's Stitches about when hers is going to be in, and it's in now, so I got to get that ordered. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm so glad I got a sample of this. Awesome. Let's look at it quick. Oh, that is pretty. This is called Christmas Morning. I should have known that. Very pretty. So a nice light gray. Same pattern as the last one. And we got 12 of these fat 8s. So they should be like 9 by 22. Let's double check. 9 by 22. Yep. Awesome. I won't bother trying to fold that back up. Here's a really, I just love this line. I really do. And I like most of her designs. I really do. I have a collection over there going. Very nice white on white. Well, no, actually it's white background with little gray flowers. Very light gray though. And then gray with white flowers. And that could make a nice background. And a nice red one. A nice background fabric. Well, look at that one. That's cute. Now this, you know, you're not getting the whole line. I think there is 35 in the line. Don't hold me to that, but I think that's what it is. And a very nice polka dot. Very soft fabric. Feels very nice. Oh, I can't wait to make something with this. I'm not sure what I'll use for the background, but maybe I'll get some of that polka dot. That would be, I think that would be awesome. So, you know, I pay for this box every month. Nobody buys it for me. And the box is $24.99 plus shipping, which is like $5, and then tax. So I pay like $30.72 every month for this box. So, yeah, I think it's one of the best valued boxes out there. Now, am I always happy with the box? No. No, but I think I'm happy enough that I keep getting it, right? And after this one, whew, you know, I'm folding and talking. So just in case you didn't know that. So I am very happy with this fabric. I would be happy with fat 8s every time. I think that would be awesome. I just think you could do more with them. This is so darn pretty. So that is the fabric. There you go. So the fabric, the endurance blade, the little irons, the iron cutters, and then the little stick-on things for your rulers to keep them from sliding around. Plus, we got not just one pattern, but 4 patterns, if you count the table runner and the block. So, did you guys get this box? If you did, what'd you think? If you don't get it, did you wish you did? Do you love this fabric as much as I do? How about these blades? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think these look like irons? Those are all my questions. Down there, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Come on now, give me a hand. All right. Thanks, you guys. I'll tell you, yeah, till next time, go sew something. Bye for now.